Have you ever wondered why some phones feel incredibly smooth, while others feel just a little bit sluggish, even if they have the same processor? The secret often comes down to one thing: refresh rate. And today, we're breaking down what phone refresh rates really mean, why they matter, and how they quietly change the way your phone feels every single day. So let's start with the basics. A refresh rate is simply how many times your screen updates every second. A standard phone screen refreshes at 60 Hz, meaning the image updates 60 times per second. But modern smartphones can refresh at 90 Hz, 120 Hz, or even 144 Hz, making the screen update much more frequently. Here's why that matters. When your screen refreshes more often, everything appears smoother. Your scrolling becomes more fluid, your animations feel faster, and your games respond instantly. Even simple things, like opening apps or swiping through photos, look more polished because the phone shows more frames every second. Think of it like flipping pages in a book. If you flip 60 pages per second, you'll see movement. But if you flip 120 pages per second, the movement becomes almost lifelike. That's the magic of high refresh rates. But here's the part most people don't know. A high refresh rate doesn't always stay high. Many phones use something called adaptive refresh rate. This means the phone can automatically switch between refresh rates depending on what you're doing. For example, when you're watching a movie, the screen might drop down to 24 or 30 Hz to save battery. When you start scrolling or gaming, it jumps back up to 90 or 120 Hz for maximum smoothness. This balance helps your phone feel fast while still preserving battery life. However, high refresh rates also come with a trade-off. More refreshes per second means more power use. So if you constantly force your phone to stay at 120 Hz, you might notice your battery draining faster than usual. That's why manufacturers give you options. You can turn on high refresh mode for smoother visuals, or switch to standard mode if you want longer battery life. Finally, gamers love high refresh rates because they reduce input lag. The screen responds quicker to touches, so your actions feel more precise, especially in fast-paced games like shooters or racing titles. So the next time your phone feels incredibly smooth or strangely slow, remember, it might not be the processor, it might not be the RAM, it could simply be the refresh rate working behind the scenes. Now you know the secret behind why some phones just feel better and how refresh rates shape the entire experience. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.